Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to add longer videos on Facebook Messenger Story. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to add longer videos on Facebook Messenger Story, go and tap open your Facebook Messenger and sign into your account if necessary. Once you sign in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on People icon. From the top of the page, tap on the Stories tab, and you'll be able to see all of these stories that your friends have posted on your Facebook. Now, in order to add a story, simply tap on Add Story with a plus in it. You can either take a video from your camera by tapping on this camera icon, or you can select one of the videos from your gallery. Now what happens is that if you take a video directly from your camera roll, then it says that the video must be 20 seconds or less in order to add it on your story. So what you can do is go back and tap on the camera icon in the upper left. Once your camera pops out from your camera screen, go to your camera roll at the bottom left, select one of the videos from your camera roll. It says that the video must be 20 seconds or less to send, but you can simply drag the slider over here and make it longer. Finally, tap on Done at the upper right, and now tap on Your Story in order to post it on your story. That is how you can easily add longer videos in Facebook Messenger Story. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.